When doing a windshield repair, the national average is $65 per rock chip. So if you did 1 repair per hour, that's good money. But today I'm at a busy truck stop and I'm gonna see how many repairs I can do within an hour. Let's get to it.
One hour later.
So there we go. I just had a good day. I just walked a lot. I was able to do 5 repairs. So 5 windshield repairs in 1 hour. My rate is $75 per rock chip. So I was able to do that because I actually have a double bridge windshield repair system. So I could do 2 repairs at once. So that made my repair time 15 minutes or less in doing it. 1 hour worth work. Work smart, not hard. The link will be in the description below for the system that I have. And if you want to buy a system, you can also click the link, go to the site. We have a spin the wheel and you can test your luck and see if you get a discount on your next windshield repair system order.